You are not going to believe it. The cupboard is here. So I wanted to get a last view. And if you're thinking to yourself, it looks worse than it did before, yes, it did. Because every time I've now given up and every time I find something, I just chuck it in on the top. So this is going to be super fun. We're going to get the cabinet out. And once Johnny has it made, I will show you setting it up. All right, I built the other one, but this time the old man is building the big cabinet. Just had to give him his props. I was going to wait until it got a little brighter out, but you guys, it's there. The new cabinet is here. It does have little plugs in the back, and Johnny said that there was an LED, but I'm more of a lamp kind of gal. And if you're thinking that that is not all going to fit in there, it's not. What's going to happen, though, is as I move some of that stuff, it's going to show me where in the cubes and in the papers and things like that I'm going to be able to put it. So I'll keep up with it and show you what we're doing as we go. Oh, and in all fairness, there's also a bunch of stuff on this table that needs to go in there too. All right, I've been working for a minute, and I put these guys up here because they're big and clunky, but I have a spot down here that's a lot bigger to put big and clunky things in. And I'm starting to think I want the things here, which are kind of in my feeling line, to be stuff I use all the time, and then those things to go all the way down there. And then Johnny moved the printer. I had it up here, and he had a really good thought that we don't use it that much anymore, and if it's hard to load the paper, we can pull it out every couple months, but that would be sitting on the top all the time. Just a little update on the craft room. I have 2 boxes left. The unthinkable has happened. There are no more of my boxes. Johnny's box is there. It has my microfibers. I don't think that's actually a craft room box. That's like a mom box. And then this calyx is exactly how it's going to be. So we have my, I can't remember what the company's name is. Nope, no idea. My paper storage, my dies and stamps, a whole bunch of calyx cubes, little baby calyx cubes that aren't done, my tool storage, and then fabric in the bottom, and scrapbook.com medium storage with my bags. Okay, here's the end of the day with the new cabinet. So I've got some of it filled, kind of bits and pieces of it. And then we've got a little bit here and some room. The whole underneath, I'll do a craft room tour and show you. Got a ton of room up here still left. That's all my Tim Holtz I need to sort out. I'm down to a pile of boxes there. Have to organize the spinning bookshelf. I can see the desk. I sat at the desk today, and we have this little pile. I was going to try to power through, but I'm exhausted and I don't have any more organizing muscles left. So we'll finish it up tomorrow. All right, it's Saturday morning. I've talked to my friend Rebecca. I'm deciding whether I'm going to have to paint this cabinet white. It's off-white and everything else is white. So a little can of paint from Home Depot up there I can use if I want to. We have some piles, but nothing too crazy. I feel like we can finish this today for sure. Okay, here's where we are now. It's gotten much worse, but that's because I cleared out everywhere that I could put stuff. So I have that top cube. I have 2 drawers up there. That top one is my gel plates. We'll see if we need that big one for just gel plates or if I could make that smaller. Empty cube, and 3 on the side. Oh, and I'm going to organize the bookcase so we can see how much room we have there. Okay, we're coming down to the last big push. There's not a ton there. That pile's almost gone. That's boxes of boxes. paint is going to have its own box, some stuff on the desk, and that's it. We're almost there. We're hitting the home stretch. Good morning. There's Tiny. He chewed his butt. I'm at the point where I have to make some serious decisions about containers, right? So I love the decorative boxes I made. So that for sure gets a place of pride over there. My choices are clear acrylics, which I really enjoy. I'd like to get those down to 4 rather than 5, which I think will be super easy. Up there, I'm fine with that little bit of disjointedness visually. And one of them isn't like the others. See the one on the end is more of a, not a stackable bin. So that's the one that's going to go. Then I have more of my boxes I made. I have extra storage things in that one. I have an empty one. And I have this one with Alice in Wonderland on the side. Okay, this is the last giant mess. My desk. Romeo and Juliet. They're straights, not Shakespeare. So I have 2 things of glue and tape over here that I'm going to, that I'm going to combine into one. So I will have one kind of deep drawer, the 3 top drawers. That drawer is going to be all metal bits. There's metal bits in that suitcase too. I felt like embossing was taking up a lot of room, so I created a little space next to it. So I'm going to be using a lot of the little containers and seeing what I can get to fit into this desk. I just had to take a last minute video. That's the little side table by my chair. This is the desk before it's set up. That goes here. That's my junk drawer. And then that's the cart. And here is the top of the little counter area that I still have to organize. I'll be right back. All right, 12:11 and it is done. So we got the paper cabinet, the new cabinet that really helped. There's the printer and the thermal cinch, which we're going to be using. That's more like decorative with a couple of storage things. Oh, I had to go up to fit everything in. Now, a couple of those boxes are empty, and I am going to be able to clear out some of those acrylics, but oh, ironic we're watching the Space Baker method. I get so many tips from her. This is the 3-up calyx, rotating bookshelf, 2-up calyx with a little box on there. My Sizzix, is it a switch? It's a die cutting machine. A cute rug out to the back door. So this is our actual hallway from the inside of the house to the backyard. So I didn't want it to be, if we go back out here, if you look down, everything's kind of tucked in on this side. You wouldn't even see it from the other room if you weren't looking. And then a lot of stuff is tucked in over here. I'm replacing this chair with a recliner, a wall recliner. So it will take up less space in the pathway, which I think is really a good idea. And then we got on this side, we got my lovely chair, cat tree for Kitty. Johnny rescued the extra little Alex desk, which was amazing. It really did help with an extra little place to put things. Easy for me to say. The plant, totally clean desk. Uh-oh, 2 little things on it. And then the cabinet. Now, I will do a tour where I go through every little spot for you guys that like that. But for now, we're all done, and here is Walbert come to visit and to go potty. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.